Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to change a Honda Accord air filter. First, open your car's hood and locate the air filter housing. This is typically a large, black plastic box situated near the engine. It's usually easy to spot and often has a few clips or screws holding it shut. Knowing its location is the first crucial step to a successful replacement. Once you've found the housing, you'll need to open it. Most Honda Accord models use metal clips that you simply unfasten. If yours has screws, use a screwdriver to loosen them. Carefully lift the top half of the airbox. You'll then see the old, dirty air filter inside. Take it out, noting its orientation for the new one. Before inserting the new filter, it's a good idea to quickly wipe out any leaves or debris that might have accumulated inside the airbox. This ensures a clean environment for your new filter. Now, take your fresh air filter and carefully place it into the housing. Make sure it sits flush and is oriented correctly, just like the old one was. With the new filter in place, it's time to close everything up. Carefully lower the top half of the airbox back into position, ensuring it aligns properly. Then, re-engage all the clips or tighten any screws you removed. Double-check that the housing is sealed tightly to prevent unfiltered air from entering your engine. You're all set.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.